Hello pupils! Welcome back to our weekly lesson in Science 4, Quarter 1, Week 7. So for your main objective for this week is for you to apply science process skills and attitudes in conducting a guided survey about environmental issues and concerns, including grouping and classifying, communicating, and open-mindedness. So let us learn for this another week lesson. To begin with, so for this quarter 1, our specific objective is to identify issues and concerns in the local community and how they could be addressed by science, such as the treatment of waste. So we have divided this lesson for day 1 to 3 and day 4. For day 1 to 3, okay, so thank you for watching. You may just play it. So here are the questions from the video. Anyway class, if you want, this is the link for the video. So going back to the questions, please answer. Thank you. So let us read this passage. So answer these questions based from the passage that you have read. Alright, thank you. Let's answer these questions. Thank you for answering. Now let us have this activity. Alright, this one. So that is your activity for the day. This one. Finish answering these questions. Okay, another one. Alright, this one also. So thank you for doing the activity. So I hope you understand our lesson. Let us now have our next target for the day. So I hope you learned something from our discussion from day 1 to day 3. So for day 4 class, this will be your objective. So please read all together. Thank you for reading. So please be guided by this. Okay, please understand that one. So let us now share our ideas. Who can share their idea? Thank you. So class, I have here a graph. Please examine and carefully answer the questions that I will be showing. Okay, here are the questions. So one by one, please read the first question and let's try to answer. Alright, so thank you for answering the questions from question number 1 up to number 4. So at this moment, let us have this activity. So you are going to be guided by this rubric. So please finish and answer the activity properly. So class, I hope you learned something from our lesson for this week and see you in the next meeting. Thank you and God bless.